peeps, welcome to my channel. I'm Maria, aka Agape Love Girl. Thank you so much for joining me today. But today I'm here to share with you a quick lip swatch video. I did get all 10 of MBA Cosmetics new Glitzy Glosses and I wanted to swatch them for you. Now these glosses did debut at IMATS first, so that's where I picked them all up, and there are 10 shades as I mentioned. They're so beautiful, and they are called Glitzy Glosses because they are literally just that, very glitzy glosses. Some have glitter in them and some of them have more of a finer shimmery glitter to them, and some of them have a little bit more pigment than others, but for the most part all of them are very sheer. So all of my swatches are going to be close up. I won't be doing a full face showing them to you because you probably won't be able to tell much of a difference. So for you guys to be able to see the impact they make, I'm going to do very close up lip swatches so you can really get a better look at each of the lip glosses. But before we get into the swatches, let me tell you a little bit more about the glosses. Now according to the MBA Cosmetics website, the glosses are described as so. Our Glitzy Glosses are a slick, non-sticky lip gloss with glitter and a fruity sweet flavor. Glitzy glosses are clear or a sheer lightly pigmented gloss with either natural or PET glitters. Now these are $8 and you are getting 4.2 grams in the tube, and it does have a doe foot applicator. And if you are interested in these glosses, even though I think $8 is a very reasonable price, you can get 10% off with my affiliate code agapelovedesigns, and you can use that anytime. It's not just a one-time use, so I wanted to let you guys know that. And oh, I wanted to mention the fruity scent I really like it. It's a very fruity, and actually really reminds me of like Fruity Pebbles, like if you've ever smelled Fruity Pebbles, or maybe even Fruit Loops, but I feel like Fruity Pebbles is that's the scent that I get when I smell them. But it's a very lovely scent, but they are strongly scented, so just letting you guys know that. But I will attest to the fact that they are not gritty at all feeling, and they're not sticky. They're very, like, I'm wearing one right now, and they're very smooth feeling, so they're very comfortable to wear, and so far I've really been enjoying them. But anyways, with all that being said, let's go ahead and get into the swatches. Alright, up first is the shade Stardust. This one just looks magical to me. It's so pretty. This one is a clear gloss with a blue sparkle to it. And I'm pretty sure this one is made with one of their natural glitters. MBA Cosmetics carries regular glitters, and then they also have some natural glitters. And they're called their Twinkle Dust, and they're available in a few different shades, but they have a blue one, and this is what this looks like. It's very soft, very fine, but it just has this beautiful sparkle. So anyways, this gloss is a clear gloss with a beautiful soft blue sparkle that almost looks like neon, or like it glows in the dark. It's just so pretty. Alright, next up is Venus, and MBA Cosmetics actually does have a glitter lipstick with this same shade. So this is basically the same shade as that Glitstick, only it's in a lip gloss, so it's one of their Glitzy Glosses. And this one is mostly a sheer shade, but it does have a little hint of some shimmer and shine, and I'm pretty sure this is a gloss made again with one of their natural, or some of their more natural glitters, because it's a very soft, fine, shimmery glitter gloss with just a little hint of like a natural neutral color. Very pretty. Next up we have Bellatrix, which is again another shade that they have in one of their Glitsticks, their glitter lipsticks. And this is another one with natural glitter from what I can tell, and it's a beautiful kind of pinky color. Not quite pink, I don't know how to describe this color. It's not like a mauve, it's just like a warm tone, pretty pink color, but it does apply pretty sheer. It's a lot more of a natural neutral color on the lips, almost clear with just a touch of color. It'd be really beautiful as a topper because it just adds the perfect touch of shine and shimmer. Not too much glitter, just a really pretty color. Then next up we have Malibu. This one, as you can see, is a hot pink shade. I believe there's another one like this. It's very similar, but it's a little bit more of a cooler tone, and this is more of a warmer toned hot pink. And this one has regular glitter in it, so it's not the natural glitters like the other ones I've shown. But this one has a beautiful holographic glitter sparkle to it, and just a really pretty hot pink. True hot pink, a very warm tone hot pink. I really like this one a lot. And next up is Pixie. This is another clear gloss, as you can see, but this one has holographic glitter sparkle to it. So pretty. I really want to be able to show you guys the holographic sparkle to this and how the glitter kind of shimmers and shines in different colors. Again, this would be another great topper gloss. All of these pretty much could be a topper gloss or be worn on their own. They're very comfortable, even though some of them have a little bit more of a chunkier glitter, especially compared to the more natural glitters. They're very comfortable on the lips and don't feel chunky on the lips, but they're really pretty. Next up, we have the shade Snob. This one is more of a mauve-y kind of pinky color. Has a little bit of shimmer to it. I feel like this one is a mix of kind of like a shimmery glitter as well as actual glitter particles in it. And some of the glitter particles in this are actually like a pink glitter, so you can see that adds a little bit more pigmentation to the color of this lip gloss. Then we have Confetti. This is another gloss with a beautiful holographic glitter sparkle to it. Oh, it's so pretty. This one is more of a warmer tone, neutral pink shade. Well, warm, neutral, you get what I mean. It's like a neutral nude. Nude is what I'm thinking of. A nude, but a warm tone, kind of nudie, clear pink gloss shade with holographic sparkle. Alright, I'm the worst at describing names. I'm so sorry. You can see for yourself. I just wanted to give a little commentary to this video so there wasn't, you know, just a boring set to music. So, you're welcome. Next up we have Cupid. This one is really pretty. This one is more of a soft red. I mean, I don't know if it's quite red. I mean, that's the only thing I can think of. You guys help me out. You guys tell me what colors you think these are. I would say this is more of a red toned color. Not super glittery sparkly. You can see there's a little bit of glitter like shimmer in there, but it's not as chunky as some of the other ones, especially the ones with the holographic glitter. I feel like have the more chunkier glitter. This is more of a pretty shimmer, and it's a little bit more opaque than some of the other glosses that are a little bit more sheer. So you're getting a little bit more color with this one. It's really pretty. I think this one would be a really great one to wear, you know, on its own. Not that you couldn't wear the other colors on their own. I'm just saying, like, if you wanted one that had a little bit more color, a little more opacity, you know what I mean. All right, and then Vegas. So this is the one that I said was similar to Malibu, and pretty much I feel like they're kind of the same color, except for this one is more cool tone, whereas Malibu, remember I said, was a little bit more of a warmer tone hot pink. This is like a hot pink that's much more cool tone. I'm not sure how much, and I should have done this side by side, I'm not sure how much you can tell of difference of them one versus the other, like if you needed both of them. Probably not, but you know, sometimes undertone can matter. So if you prefer more of a cooler tone one, choose this one. If you prefer more of a warm tone, choose Malibu. But really beautiful pink, a little bit more color to them, but these ones have the holographic pretty rainbow sparkle to them. Very pretty glosses. Lastly, we have Paris. This one is kind of like a baby pink shimmer color, and this one actually kind of reminds me of like the 90s a little bit. When I see it, I think of like the 90s, that shimmery metallic kind of gloss. So this one does have a little bit of glitter sparkle to it, but mostly has you know, more of a shimmery kind of pearlized, that's what I'm thinking, a pearlized pinky soft pink color to it. So yeah, and you can see a little bit of sparkle to it as well. It's a really pretty gloss. and that is all 10 of MBA Cosmetics brand new Glitzy Glosses. I hope you enjoyed these swatches, and I'd love to know which one was your favorite. If you plan on picking any of these up or anything else from MBA Cosmetics, don't forget you could use my code agapelovedesigns for 10% off. But anyways, with all that being said, I just want to thank you so much for watching, and until next time, much love and hugs to you. Bye, beauty babes. Mwah!